Ostrich meat nutrition facts: what it may really do for your body. Your body changes after 60, whether you notice it or not. I noticed it during a period where simple fatigue became part of my routine. Walking felt slower. Recovery after meals felt longer. And even normal daily tasks started to require more effort than before. That is when I began looking into different protein sources beyond the usual chicken and beef. Ostrich meat kept appearing in nutrition discussions. At first, it sounded unusual, something you would expect on a travel documentary rather than a regular dinner plate. But curiosity made me look deeper instead of judging it immediately. Ostrich meat is a lean red meat alternative. According to nutritional data from the United States Department of Agriculture, ostrich meat is high in protein and relatively low in fat compared to many traditional red meats. It also contains iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, which are nutrients involved in energy metabolism and red blood cell function. These nutrients matter more with age, because older adults may experience gradual changes in muscle mass and energy production efficiency. Protein supports muscle maintenance. According to the National Institutes of Health, adequate protein intake in older adults is associated with better maintenance of muscle mass and physical function when combined with activity and balanced nutrition. But food is never a shortcut. No single meat or supplement forces instant transformation in the body. The body adapts slowly based on long-term habits, not one meal. When I tried ostrich meat for the first time, I expected something extreme or unusual. Instead, it felt familiar. Closer to lean beef than anything exotic. The texture was firm but not heavy, and it paired well with simple vegetables and rice. What surprised me most was not the taste. It was how normal it felt when cooked simply. But there are important balance points. According to the Mayo Clinic, lean red meat can be part of a balanced diet when consumed in moderation, and when overall dietary patterns include vegetables, fiber-rich foods, and healthy fats. This is where many people misunderstand nutrition. They focus on one food instead of the whole pattern. Another important point is digestion and tolerance. Not every person reacts the same way to red meat or high-protein meals. Some people feel energized. Others may feel heaviness depending on portion size, cooking method, and individual health conditions. I also realized something important about energy. What feels like rapid change in marketing videos is usually just a combination of better protein intake, improved sleep, hydration, and overall diet consistency working together over time. Not one single ingredient. One of my mistakes was expecting immediate results. Real improvement was gradual. More stable energy during the day, less sudden fatigue after meals, and slightly better recovery after physical activity. But nothing dramatic or instant. Science does not support overnight body transformation from a single food. Healthy aging depends on patterns. The World Health Organization emphasizes that long-term health is supported by balanced nutrition, regular movement, adequate sleep, hydration, and preventive health care. No single meat replaces that foundation. Food variety is also important. Lean proteins like fish, eggs, legumes, poultry, and occasional red meat alternatives can all fit into a balanced diet depending on individual needs. Not every food is suitable for everyone. People with kidney disease, high cholesterol concerns, or specific dietary restrictions should always consult a healthcare professional before increasing protein or red meat intake. Hydration and fiber also matter, because higher protein meals without enough water and plant fiber may affect digestion comfort in some people. After experimenting, my biggest takeaway was simple. Food works best when it is consistent, balanced, and realistic. Not extreme, not exaggerated, not based on viral claims. Just steady habits repeated over time. Always ask your doctor first, especially if you take medications or have chronic conditions. Personal health always comes first. Healthy energy is built, not forced. If this video helped you, leave a like and share your thoughts below. Your experience may help someone else make better food choices. Small habits create long-term strength.